Hey everybody, Ronnie Petito with PBTC Fitness, and today I want to go over the most commonly used excuse I hear. I can't get to the gym, I don't have time. You have the time.
Bullcrap.
You definitely have the time. So here are a few tips. I mean, there's tons of tips that we can use, but we're going to use 3 specific ones if you're looking to go to the gym by yourself. First and foremost.
You have to go to the gym. You can do it at home.
Very true.
Lots of workout things you can do at home.
But first things first, plan your workouts the night before.
Plan the workouts, guys.
Know what you're gonna do. Are you doing upper, lower? Are you doing your chest, your shoulders, your back, your hamstrings, your quads? Know what you wanna work on. Second thing is, we wanna be quick, right? So what do we gotta do if we wanna be quick? Time the rest periods. Exactly. So what we're gonna do is time the rest periods, and if you got a little ADD or you can't focus right in the gym and you're always going to your phone or this way, that way, make sure you have a stopwatch on you so you can time it. Stay diligent.
Or you can just not think about it and keep going.
Right, non-stop.
Listen to your body.
Non-stop. Keep that circuit going. And tip number 3, make a little circuit for yourself around one certain area. Know where you're gonna be. I mean, you can bring your barbells, your dumbbells, kettlebells, whatever you're using that day.
I find it a lot easier for me if it's set up in like an obstacle course.
Exactly.
It's more fun.
Yeah, it is more fun, and it just helps you go bang, 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 and you just get to all the workouts, and you're done. So there's always time. Please utilize your time correctly. You can definitely make it to the gym.